Hi everyone. So today you can see we have received this Chevrolet Cruze, which is very well known as the diesel rocket car. So this has come all the way from Shirdi, and this car has come today only, and we will be customizing this car from outside, inside both. So we'll be painting this car, we'll be putting projector headlights, interior, etc. So I'll just show you what are the things that we'll be doing in this car. So from outside, this full car will get painted in paint booth machine. We will also be installing the projector headlights. The car has few mechanical work as well, which I'll just show you. But apart from that, you can see the interior. Currently it's the stock interior, completely black. This will be changed as per the new theme. So stay tuned guys. We will update you once this project is done. Meanwhile, I'll show you one of the mechanical problem in this car. So now we are going to start the car, and you can see the particular noise which comes. So that jerking noise is actually flywheel. So we will be working on mechanical parts as well. Stay tuned guys. So that's freshly painted Chevrolet Cruze. It's painted in Volvo pearl white, and you can see the finishing. Look at this pearl effect. So this finishing comes when you paint with good quality material and you paint in the paint booth machine. Thank you guys. Hi everyone. So today you can see this is a Chevrolet Cruze which has been completely customized by Auto Rounders in Mumbai. And this car had come all the way from Shirdi. And you can see this car, we have installed projector headlights with DRL. These are very good quality, made in Taiwan. Plus the full car has been painted in pearl white, and this is not the regular pearl white. We have used Volvo S90 pearl white in this. This full car was painted in paint booth machine. So you can see the finishing of this car. At rear we have also installed the rear view camera. It's almost like company fitting. It's not done on the bumpers. It doesn't spoil the look. Very interesting thing in this car that we have done is the interior customization. So now you can see that's not the standard interior of Chevrolet Cruze. This has been customized by Auto Rounders. You can check the finishing. And the panels are in carbon fiber. Even the steering wheel you can see is in carbon fiber with Napa genuine leather hand stitched. The seat covers are also custom made seat cover, not ready made seat cover. These are premium quality seat covers. The dashboard has been wrapped in leather. And the interesting thing is, you can see this touchscreen. We have installed the touchscreen with the frame. So it's an Android player, and all the function from steering wheel also works. Even the AC function you can see, whatever you control from here, it comes on the screen as well. Even temperature, etc. Mode, everything you can control it. Even temperature you can see. and it's an Android player, so you can watch YouTube videos, also use GPS. Everything is inbuilt. This dashboard, you can see it's done in leather. That's the finishing. You can see the door also. This panel is in leather. This is carbon fiber. So if you're looking for any such quality jobs, you can call Autorondos on 7666 930 930. We are from Mumbai, guys. Thank you. हाय एवरीवन, तो आप देख सकते हैं कि ये क्रूज को हमने कस्टमाइज़ किया हुआ है कम्प्लीटली, और ये हमारे कस्टमर थे मिस्टर वीरेंद्र, और ऑल द वे शिरडी से आए हुए हैं। तो सर, आपको काम कैसा लगा, और थोड़ा हमारा फीडबैक आप दे सकते हैं तो अच्छा रहेगा सर।
बेस्ट एकदम, इंटीरियर एक्सटीरियर दोनों एकदम।
इंटीरियर भी आपको अच्छा लगा?
फर्स्ट क्लास एकदम, फर्स्ट क्लास भी, और प्लस मतलब जो यहाँ का
क्वालिटी
और प्लस सबका जो
टीम वर्क एकदम
है वो सबसे बेस्ट है।
अच्छा, थैंक यू
सबसे
थैंक यू। और टच स्क्रीन भी अच्छा है?
एकदम फर्स्ट क्लास।
क्योंकि वो लास्ट मोमेंट डिज़ाइन था, तो सर ने आज सुबह डिलीवरी थी इनकी, क्योंकि कल दशहरा है। तो सर ने सुबह आके देखा गाड़ी, और हमारे यहाँ पे अभी जीप कंपास का भी काम चल रहा है, तो उसमें हम लोग टच स्क्रीन और हेडलाइट मॉडिफिकेशन कर रहे हैं। तो उन्होंने जीप कंपास की जो टच स्क्रीन है वो देख के बोला कि नहीं, मुझे आज ही चाहिए। तो कैसे भी करके हमने अरेंज करके आज फिटिंग भी कंप्लीट की है। कल दशहरा है, उसके लिए लेके जा रहे हैं। थैंक यू सर, थैंक यू सो मच कि आपने अपॉर्चुनिटी दी। थैंक यू, धन्यवाद सर आपको, और ऑल द बेस्ट आपकी ब्रांड न्यू गाड़ी के लिए सर। ठीक है सर, चलिए, थैंक यू, बाय बाय।